Good afternoon. We have with us Mr. Mohit Dhawan, Chief Executive Officer, HPCL Renewable and Green Energy Limited. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
HPCL Renewable and Green Energy Limited has just completed 1 year. So, what have been the achievements in the last 1 year, and what's your plan going ahead?
First of all, thank you for giving me time to give an interview. HPCL Renewable and Green Energy was incorporated 1 year back with an objective to provide all renewable and green needs of HPCL at one place. So in last 1 year, we have identified the areas where we can provide renewable power to all our HPCL units as well as to their JVs. And we have also started working towards the various government initiatives entrusted to HPCL like biogas production, 2G, 1G. All these things are also included in this HPRG portfolio.
And in terms of solar, what is the capacity that you have added?
We have three verticals: renewables, biogas, biofuels, and green hydrogen. This renewable portfolio, we have started with a 200 megawatt of power which we were generating at various marketing locations. That was our initial starting point. And then we have started scaling up. Our target is that by the end of next financial year, that is financial year 26, we will be achieving 1 gigawatt of renewable power through solar. Besides that, we are also working on PSP and BESS, for which the plans are being firmed up. As far as biofuels are concerned, government has entrusted us under SATAT program to develop 5,000 biogas plants across the country along with the other OMCs. These have to be developed by private entrepreneurs. We are happy to share that we have already given LOIs to 500 plus such entrepreneurs who are interested in making biogas from biomass or from MSW or from press mud. Besides that, we also have undertaken a commitment that we will commission 26 biogas plants on our own, for which we have identified lands, and we are happy to share that we have already commissioned 2 plants, one at Badaयूं and the other one at Patmera. One is based on rice straw based and the other one is cow dung based. We have already commissioned, and now we are focusing on commissioning few more plants in next 1 to 2 years.
So what would be the total cumulative capacity of the plants?
For biogas plants, once all plants are commissioned, it will be around 200 to 250 metric tons per day. That will be the capacity. And going forward, the plants which are commissioned by our entrepreneurs, that will also have a capacity of around 1,000 metric ton per day. So in all, we will be having around 1,250 to 1,500 metric ton per day, which is a good sizable amount. Besides that, we will be helping out in reducing the large amount of MSW as well as this rice straw, which is a issue to settle for the government.
And are you also looking at wind power?
Yes. Presently, we have 100 megawatt capacity of wind power, and we have recently appointed a firm who will be exploring possibility of setting up wind energy in Odisha. So it will be approximately for 50 megawatt, for which we have already started our plans. It takes a little time because you have to identify, you have to do survey, you have to identify what kind of wind energy is available, and then you have to move it. So it may take another 2 years time when we will be adding up that capacity.
And are you also looking at green hydrogen
yes.
in this?
So that is another vertical. Third vertical is about green hydrogen. So in that vertical, we are planning to set up green hydrogen facility in Mumbai, Vizag, and HRRL, our 3 refinery bases, wherein we will be gradually supplementing their existing hydrogen requirement with green hydrogen requirement. For that, we are actively scouting for good technologies. Our R&D center has also developed few technologies. So we will be working towards that and trying to make it happen in next 5 years. Our target is by 2030 we should be able to start supplying some quantity of green hydrogen to all the to the 3 refineries.
So you have now a separate P&L.
Yeah.
So in the first year or the financial year is coming to an end, what is your expectation?
No, this is the first year, so it is it's a starting point for the company. But we are happy to share that we have been able to get good funding from the banks. The first round of fundraising is complete, and we'll be shortly signing an MOU, an agreement with the bankers for 3,800 crore of our funding, which will be used in next 2 years. The second round of funding will be opening, I think, towards the end of financial year 26, wherein we'll be looking for larger projects that may include green hydrogen also.
And in terms of manpower, how are you?
So we started with a very lean organization. We started with a manpower of 10, and as the project will come, we will be increasing the manpower. Our mix will be, we will be taking few SMEs from HPCL, but we are also looking for developing our own skill set, for which we may go for recruitment of fresh skills for our organization.
And when are you planning to be cash positive, sir?
Cash positive in next 2 years we will be cash positive. That is financial year 27 end, our balance sheet should look positive. That is our goal.